What's up everybody, Parker York Smith here, welcome back to my channel. So I hope that you guys know that the reason that I do this channel, the reason I do my Instagram, everything that I do is because I want you guys to look and feel great, but I also don't want you to go broke in the process. There are lots of things out there that are worth a little bit of extra money, that are worth going luxury, but then there are also things that just are not. That's why today we are going through 6 things that you should never be buying luxury. Number 1 on our list, white sneakers. A really great pair of white sneakers aren't gonna need to cost any more than 150, maybe 200 bucks for like the nicest ones you would ever need. I did a whole separate video all about white sneakers that I'll throw a link up to right up here, but you can get great ones for under 75 bucks. Think about if you're spending $500 or $600 on a luxury pair of white sneakers, eventually they're just gonna get worn out and smelly anyway, and you're gonna have to get rid of them and go spend that money again. It's just crazy to go out there and drop that kind of cash on a sneaker that you can find a very comparable version of for a quarter of the price, if not less. Number 2 on our list, graphic tees. Graphic tees are dope. They're super on trend right now. Lots of different brands are putting out really fun, interesting options, but there are designers putting them out right now for like $300 or more for a t-shirt. If you go spend $300, $400 on a graphic tee, you're gonna wanna wear it pretty regularly in order to get your money's worth, but then you're gonna become known as that kid who's always wearing the off-white t-shirt or whatever it is. So if you want graphic tees, go buy 3 or 4 at 25 bucks and save yourself some money and give yourself more options. No brainer. Number 3 on our list, cologne. Now I'm sorry to all you smelly sauce cologne lover boys out there, but spending over $50 to $100 on a bottle of cologne is silly. I can almost guarantee you that no girls are gonna know the difference between something you spent $50 on at the Macy's counter versus something you ordered from Italy for $300. As a matter of fact, let's take a moment to do a little public service announcement. Take it easy with the cologne, fellas. If I can smell you 5 minutes after you left the room, you're wearing way too much. Number 4, lightweight jackets. Denim jackets, bombers, they're great pieces. I love them, but you should not be spending over $100 on them, and that is like the high end. My favorite denim jacket that I own, I got it at Gap on the sale rack for 20 bucks. But go to Levi's, go to ASOS, go to Urban. All of these different stores are gonna have really great options that are much more affordable and still really great quality. Even if you are someone who sways a little bit more trendy, all you need to do is go to Urban or ASOS, find yourself something a little bit oversized and distressed, or better yet, do it yourself, make something custom, and you're gonna save so much money. It's silly to go spend hundreds of dollars on the designer version, especially for a trendy option, because odds are next year that style won't even be cool anymore and you won't be able to wear it. Number 5, belts. I've worn a lot of belts in my day, and there has never been one that I've ever come across that was worth more than 50 bucks. I realize that your favorite rapper is wearing a Gucci or Louis belt or whatever, but you don't need one. Odds are, if you're wearing it as an actual belt and you use it enough times to get your money's worth of what those things actually cost, it's gonna be stretched out or faded or just gross because you're not washing your belt, so it's not worth it. And finally, number 6, sunglasses. I made a whole separate video about this. A bunch of fun brands that are all under $200. You don't need to spend over, maybe slightly over 200. Okay, Ray-Ban's got like their new cool polarized style out or whatever, and you just gotta have it. I get that. If it's 220, okay. But anything up in like the $300 and $400 and $500 range, like a lot of these designer frames are, come on, that's crazy. Now it's true that there are better lenses out there. A little bit more of an expensive pair of glasses is going to should have a better lens in it. But it still is not gonna cost you over 200 bucks to have the highest quality, most protective, best lens you'll ever need. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, 6 different things that you don't need to be buying luxury. Stop wasting your money, save it, go on a trip. Go to a nice dinner with your significant other, with your lady or your man friend or whoever it is that you like to hang out with. But understand that you can still look great, you can still be at the height of style. You can have great style, great just expression of yourself without spending a ton of money on those things. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Be sure you're checking out my Instagram page so you can see all kinds of style ideas, outfit inspiration, all that good stuff. If you enjoyed the video, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already. Tell a friend about the channel, and I will see you when I see you. Bye.